6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. Yeah, we did 145 plus some kids, but it was a good service. But the thing is, there is no kitchen hand. Yeah, Lucas is sick leave, and so I am the one who will do the washing, dishwashing, and also the one cooking. But yeah, I managed to finish all the mise en place before the lunch. So it's good. If there is a vacant space, I go, oh no. Okay, we are home. It is now 2:36. Yeah. Yeah, usually if the temperature is hot, the rice easily get spoiled. But this one I think is good. Morning before going to work, I defrosted it with some of this pork and chive dumplings. This one doesn't have any vegetable. There's my meal, my lunch. Just noodles. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and yeah, I got here straight. I'm going to Aldi because I'm going to buy something to cook, something to eat. I don't have any food in the house. Also, yeah, I enjoy browsing their weekly special. A lot of toys for gift. This marble book is very big. Actually, calendar. I get one of these. Yeah, for cleaning the the sink, the toilet. I'm also getting one of this garlic. This is just $2.99, and I'm getting this chicken. This just $5. Also this microwave potato, just $1.99. Also getting this kombucha, which is just $5.99. And this is what I got. I did not bring any bag. To get some McDonald's takeaway. Oh, just now I realized that yeah, there is still the beef here, marinated beef. We are now here in Woolworths here in Nelson Bay. I have something more to buy. They have this yeah, discounted, and I'm getting this one facial tissue. This is just $1.70. I'm getting one of this bread. I don't know the actual name, but it says 7-seed high fiber low GI roll 4-pack. Yeah, this is just $3.50. Again, I don't have a bag. Okay, we are home. And this is the one that I'm going to cook now. This is actually pork adobo, but the meat is actually not cut for pork adobo. It's cut for stir fry. But yeah, it's okay. Pork adobo is good with the pot on it, but this one, it's all meat. Look at the time, it's already 5 o'clock. Just now I'm going to eat. And Yeah, it's dry. That's is how I like it. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, I just finished my duty and I am here now in the foreshore, Nelson Bay foreshore. Hey, I washed my hand because I ate something with my hand, and so it is sticky. It is very busy here this time. Yeah, as you can see, there are many people over there and also here. Yeah, a lot of people on that side. Yeah, for sure it is very busy in every beaches here in Nelson Bay, Shoal Bay, Salamander Bay, Anna Bay, Pingal Bay area. Actually, it is very difficult to get parking. When I get inside here, there are just around 3 space for the van, for the car. You also notice that there are many cars on the side of the roads over there. And I remember that before when I was riding my bike, I don't want to come here because it will be not easy, not smooth to ride the bike. And actually this time I am thinking of going home now. But actually let me show you first that area. There are many people there. Oh, let me show you, there are so many fish in here. Oh. Yeah, look at that. That is small fish. You know, when I was young, I mean when I was in the Philippines, yeah, we eat a fish. Yeah, small like that. We called it oh, I forgot the name of that fish. Dilis. Yeah, dilis. So basically very small fish, dried like that size. They dried it and then we fry it. We called it dilis, and it's delicious, very salty actually. Yeah, they are Filipino. I heard the kid, they said the Filipino word, and this is how it is here. Look at that. Home. It is already 3:35. Yeah, and yeah, today I'm not hungry. Oh, but let me drink first. Oh yeah, I'm thirsty, but I am not hungry because this morning for the lunch buffet, breakfast buffet, what I cook, the special that I made is fried rice. Yeah, and so during my break time, that is what I eat. Yeah, at around 11 o'clock, and I was very full and satisfied. So until now, I'm still full with that fried. On the fried rice, I just put some, basically garlic, carrots, onion, green beans, what else? Sesame oil, and rice, salt, soy sauce. That's it. I want to drink coffee. That's why I'm going to boil the water. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is already almost 9:45, and yeah, this is going to be my first meal. This ice cream, vanilla cones. This leftover from last night. So yesterday I did not vlog because I was just here in my computer editing, and then I walk in the beach without a camera, just my phone taking some pictures. And then suddenly Inigo calls. He said he wants to meet Ariana and Earl. And so we meet Ariana and Earl and we eat in the beach. Leftover from the dessert. And this morning I already cleaned the car, I washed the car, and then suddenly again there is the lawn mower people. They are going to clean the grass. If you notice, it is messy. There is that guy, he's cleaning the grass, cutting the grass. I don't know how much my landlord paid for that. And I am now preparing my breakfast. No, maybe lunch. It's going to be just a fried egg. Oh, the guy is using the blower. I need to put this so that the leaves will not get inside here. Here in Australia, they don't sweep the they don't sweep the grass, the dirt. They use blower instead. Okay, this is my breakfast, lunch. It looks like an easy job, but it's actually hot. You know, I have my aircon on, but I'm going to switch it off because I'm going outside. Also, they already finished the lawn mower. And actually, let's judge how much, how they clean it. Yeah, basically just like this. It is clean looking, but yeah, it's clean looking for me. Fine. And look at this. This is the mint. Actually, this is the oregano. And this is the mint leaves. Yeah, now I'm sweating again. I need again to spray water on the bun. It is already just 3:45, but outside is dark. Yeah, and there is a thunder. Yeah, lots of thunders. There's no lightning, just thunders. And you notice also that it is dark because actually there is no rain, just big droplets, but not much. Yeah, and actually in Queensland, some places are flooded in the previous weeks. I mean this weeks. But if you notice here in the previous days, it was really sunny and just nice weather. It is still early. We are now here in the grocery. Actually 5:35. Yeah, sunset will be later at 8 o'clock. But because it is raining, it is a little darker. I'm getting one of these jumbo soft round rolls, 6 pieces inside, $3. Oh, I'm getting one of this hummus. Yeah, and it's $2.40. Yeah, just to eat something different. Oh, actually, I'm going to stay here. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, not in the beach. Yeah, but I will be just inside here. I will be eating this, but yeah, I must actually already making a coffee. Yeah, I have my coffee, but I don't have mug. I forgot it in the house. So I'm going to the petrol station over there. Basically, the small is $1, regular is $2.50, $3.50. Okay, so yeah, I got this coffee. This is $2.50. And you know, when I get inside of this bun, so good temperature, feels safe. Yeah, it is so good here inside the bun. Also, it's not noisy. Yeah, I'm happy with this bun. But actually, yeah, Inigo broke it yesterday. when we are having a picnic with Earl and Ariana. This coffee is flat white. Bitter. Oh no. Yeah, there is a water leakage. I hope it is not bad. I hope it is because I just opened the window. And I am still here in the car park of the grocery. And I am deciding, I am thinking of what I am going to buy for my lunch tomorrow when I get home coming from work. If I don't go inside and buy something today, this time, tomorrow I will be just having fried egg. I'm getting this tomato. This tomato is a lot. $4.90. Also one of this bok choy. This is $2.50. Yeah, also this green beans. This just $3. And I'm getting one of these prawns, 300 grams, and it's $12. And I'm also going to get this, yeah, Thai red curry chicken. This 50% off, $2.60. I'm also going to get one of this chili, $3.80. And from this expired today items, I'm actually going to get this one, and it's just $2.25. Regular price was $7.50. It is actually still raining. Now I am worrying about the roof ventilation of the van. Yeah, I bought a lot of vegetables this time. I don't usually buy things for the whole week because I love going to the grocery. That's why it's okay for me to go to the grocery every day.